Oh, quick question. Got debt? Yeah, millions of people do. But imagine waking up one morning and realizing that you now know the exact date that you'll be 100% debt free. No guessing, no stress, no decades long mortgage payment hanging over your head, just clarity and freedom. How do you think that would make you feel? Well, for most Americans, that dream feels like it's out of reach because 74% live paycheck to paycheck and watch interest payments quietly drain thousands of their hard earned dollars every single year. Debt becomes a dark cloud, stealing time, stealing opportunities, and stealing peace of mind. But what if there was a smarter way? What if your money could work for you instead of working for the bank? The solution? The world's first financial GPS. It's a system designed to help you eliminate your mortgage and all your debt in as little as 5 to 7 years without changing your lifestyle or your budget. And folks, this isn't magic, it's math. And it's already helped eliminate over $2.8 billion in debt for families across America. And here's why interest is the real enemy, though, and some food for thought. Banks don't get rich from your loan, they get rich from the interest. And even with a low interest rate, a very high percentage of your mortgage could be going straight into the bank's pocket. That's money you could be using to build wealth, invest, or simply enjoy life. Our financial GPS exposes the hidden cost of interest, what we call interest volume, and shows you how to dramatically reduce it. Here's how the financial GPS works. Think of getting out of debt like taking a cross-country road trip. You know your destination, but without a GPS, one wrong turn could result in huge delays. Well, the financial GPS works the same way. It puts all your financial information into one simple dashboard. It analyzes your income, expenses, and debts in real time. And it calculates the fastest possible route to becoming debt-free. Super simple. Every time you make a purchase, big or small, the system instantly recalculates your payoff date. You see the long-term impact of every dollar, helping you make smarter decisions effortlessly. This alone separates our financial GPS from all other tools that are available online or anywhere else. Imagine this. Imagine plugging in all your information and finding out that your 100% freedom and debt payoff date is, let's say, 9.2 years from now. But you'd like to go to Hawaii and you want to budget in $10,000 for that trip. All right, no sweat for the GPS because you plug that into your super user-friendly dashboard. Then the GPS recalculates the new freedom date based on that $10,000 being added in as a consideration, and boom, it spits out a new time. Let's just say that's 10.1 years. That's only a difference of 9 months. So then you decide if 9 months more time to total debt freedom is worth it or not. And you go to Hawaii, right? It's the same for buying a car, a house, sending your child to college. All of this can be plugged into the system to consider every possible twist and turn in a financial life. Suppose you get a real large tax refund and you want to include that into the cash flow available for the debt elimination. Wouldn't you want to know immediately how much time that could cut off your debt date? How about half that amount? It's fun to pop different scenarios in and just see how it'll affect your overall ability to wipe out debt. So here's the power of small changes, folks, and the part that surprises most people. A small shift, like redirecting even $9 a day, could eliminate 2 full years off your debt schedule and save you over $15,000 in interest. Once those 2 years are freed up, you can invest what used to go to the bank, potentially creating $57,600 in new wealth. Wow. You know what that is? That's what Albert Einstein quoted as saying, compound interest is like the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it earn it, and those that don't pay it. That's how you turn debt into wealth. And there will be a separate video on that, by the way. So you ask yourself, what would your life look like if you were debt free 10, say 15, or even 20 years sooner? It'd be more time, right? More freedom, more wealth for your family. Think of it like turning off a leak in your financial bucket. Suddenly your money starts working for you, not the bank. Our financial GPS gives you the roadmap. All you have to do is take the first step. Book your free one-on-one debt analysis today and discover your exact debt-free date. Because your financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a destination. And our financial GPS is the path to financial freedom. It takes just a few minutes, and it can save you years of grief, sleepless nights, and frustration. Tap the link to begin, and remember, your countdown to savings begins at 321savings.com. Let's your countdown begin.